So you're interested in making money with affiliate marketing. Maybe you're just curious, or maybe you're already working on it. But wouldn't it really stink if you put all this energy and work into something and then you didn't actually end up making any money? Hey, it's Leah Rae from toddandleahrae.com, and I'm gonna help save you from 6 super common mistakes that affiliate marketers fall into that will definitely keep you broke and prevent you from making money. Now, if you want to dive deeper and to get some more thorough training on how to help you build your affiliate marketing business, grab the training, top link in the description. That's going to help you out as well. Now, mistake number 6 is not having an audience. So many times affiliate marketers get started and they think they're going to make a bunch of money like that, but they've spent no time or effort working to build an audience. Well, guess what? If you're sitting there blasting and blaring about this great offer that you've come across and you want to share with people, that's nice. But if no one's listening to you, you're not going to make any money. You have to work to build an audience. And guess what? Having an audience, it doesn't happen overnight. That's something that builds over time. So you have to be willing to put in that time to understand this isn't a short-term play. This is something that takes time to do. Whether that's on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, blogging, wherever you're putting your effort, your main marketing strategy, understand that it takes time. And you're going to have to learn some skills and some ways to grow that audience. But across all those platforms, you're going to have to learn how to be good at what you're doing there on that platform, improve your skills, and grow an audience over time. No audience means no sales. No sales means no money. So you need to work on consistently building an audience online if you're looking to make money. Mistake number 5, not providing value. I don't know how many times I've seen this, but people are just pushing an offer. They're just pitching. Pitch, pitch, pitch. They don't give any value. Well, guess what? If you don't give any value to someone, a reason for them to watch, to read, to check out whatever you're doing online, they're not going to. They're just going to see you pitching stuff and they think, oh, well, that person just wants to sell me stuff. Well, guess what? People don't like to be sold, while people do like to buy. So what you want to do is give value. Know who your target audience is. Know who's most likely to be interested in whatever offers you're providing, and then give them value. Give them a reason to follow you, to consume the content, the stuff that you're creating online. Give them value. When you give people tons of value, then you can slide in an offer here and there, but you can't just pitch people. You can't just promote. Now, this applies to the content that you're creating online, but also to your email list, to your ManyChat list, wherever you're marketing to people. If you hit them with offer after offer, they become very unresponsive and uninterested in what you're doing. You kind of have to think of your audience like a bank account. You need to make deposits over time before you can make any withdrawals. If you try to just withdraw all the time, you're going to go broke. You have to make deposits to get withdrawals. Well, with your audience, you make deposits by giving them value, by giving them helpful, valuable information, stuff that they want, stuff that they're looking for. When you do that and you fill up that bank account with that goodwill, then you can take a withdrawal. You can put an offer in front of them, and that's when you make money. So understand, key principle of online marketing, you have to give value. The 4th mistake is spamming. This is so obnoxious. We may even get one of these on this video, which we quickly delete. But you see this online where people will come onto a YouTube video like this, and instead of engaging and getting some value from the video, they just pitch. They spam their offer. They put their link for something else or whatever they're doing, and they just put it on somebody else's video or on a post that they're doing on social media or even on Facebook ads. You see people do this on Facebook ads. It's totally ridiculous and it's super ineffective. Guess what? You're not going to make money doing this. Plus, you're going to get your account shut down, because guess what? When people spam stuff like they sometimes do on our videos, what do? We report it to YouTube. We delete it and we report it. And when YouTube gets a bunch of reports that you're spamming people, guess what? Your account goes away. Same thing with Facebook and other platforms, Instagram. It's the same thing. It's not going to make you money. It's going to get your account shut down, and it's just a waste of time. Instead of wasting your time spamming people, actually spend time creating an audience, giving value so you can actually promote and make money. You're not going to make money spamming. You will make money marketing. How do you market? It's a process. Just what I'm going through here with you now. Build an audience, give value, and then you can promote. Spamming is not marketing, and it's not going to make you money. Plus, it's just super annoying. Mistake number 3, promoting whatever is going to make you the most money. This is not a good play. Yes, if you find an offer that converts really well, that you can make you a lot of money, it can do that in the short term, but you need to be able to stand behind whatever your offer is, and it needs to serve your audience long term. If this isn't a long-term play, if it's just a flash in the pan, I can make money before it gets shut down type of offer, and we're seeing those more and more these days, then that is something you should really stay away, because anytime you promote something, you promote an opportunity, you promote some sort of offer, you're essentially putting your name behind it. Well, online, your name is everything. Your name is your brand. It's your reputation. People are not going to trust you if they, fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. They're going to learn not to trust you. If you promote something to them and then it gets shut down or something falls apart or it's shady or it's bad or something happens, they're no longer going to look to you. You're not going to create repeat customers that way. And repeat customers are the most valuable customers in your business. People who are going to purchase offer after offer from you, whatever you put in front of them, because they trust you. The quickest way to break that trust is to promote something that's shady and you're just promoting it to make money with it, not because it's really going to help people. So avoid the temptation of pushing something for a quick buck and look for things that truly serve and are going to help people in the long term. That really is very related to mistake number 2. It's promoting something that you haven't checked out. If you're promoting something, you should have some level of experience with it. If you're promoting some sort of training, oftentimes the owners of that course will give you access so you can check it out beforehand. Or maybe you've purchased other trainings from them in the past and you know what to expect from that trainer. But if it's a book, if it's a sort of guide that they're purchasing, software that they're purchasing, well, you should use it yourself. You should read it yourself. You should assess it yourself before you put your name behind it. Because again, your reputation is everything. You want to truly be able to stand behind something and know that it's going to help and serve your audience. When you do that, you create loyal, raving fans that are going to keep purchasing from you time after time. And that's how you build a very substantial online business. So if you want to promote it, invest in it yourself or ask the owner of the product for some sort of sample or something you can get your hands on so you can assess it for yourself and make sure it's something that's truly going to serve your audience and is worth their precious money. Now, the number 1 mistake, I see this all the time, especially here on YouTube, is not building an email list. Come on, people. This is a bad idea because social media, the internet, things are always changing. And your email list is something that you own, that people are not going to take away from you. Guess what? YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, if you make them mad, if you do something against their policies or you get reported for something, maybe you didn't even do something, but they think you did, you can get shut down. Those accounts can go away overnight. And if you haven't built an email list, it doesn't matter if you had 500,000 subscribers, the next day you're going to be down to 0. So if you build an email list, you can move that audience off to a new channel or somewhere else we're going to give them value. And I've heard it said, especially over the last couple of years, email marketing is dead, email marketing is dead. And they're really pushing Facebook Messenger bots. Well, Facebook Messenger bots are awesome. We love them. But guess what? Those are also changing. And it looks like this coming summer, they're going to be taking away some very important features that people are using. And so what does that mean? It's really good that you were building your email list this whole time and not solely relying on messenger bots. While you may own your messenger bot list, you don't own Facebook. And a messenger bot list without Facebook is useless. So you need to own a list. You need to build a list. Offer something of value, free PDF download, video tips, whatever it is, to collect their information, collect their email. And then when you have an email list, you can send them your new content. You published a new video, you published a new blog post, send it out to your list, give more value, make that deposit in the bank account, give that out to your list. And then to that same email list, you can invite them to webinars, training only webinars and sales-based webinars. Plus you can throw in direct offers every once in a while. So you need to build an email list. It is a solid strategy that's going to help you build a long-term business. Now, for more help to build a solid online business, make sure you grab access to that training down in the description. If you're ready to start building an email list and you need an email responder system, we recommend ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign has been awesome. We've tried other stuff. It's definitely our favorite. I'll have our link down in the description if that's something you're looking for. Now, please know that we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create time freedom, create financial freedom, create the business, the lifestyle of your dreams. So you got to subscribe so we can help you. Say hi so we can welcome you to the community. Again, this is Leah Ray from toddandleahray.com. Head over to this video that should be floating right above my head, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.